Let's sing, dance, and tap our feet.
Tick-Tock Turtle blinks his eyes, the morning sun begins to rise. Stretch your arms, wiggle your toes, hop out of bed, up the day goes, grabbing bubbly. Scrub-a-dub at the lily pad sink, bubbles pop and the fishes wink. Brush your teeth, splash your face, time to sparkle, time for grace. Breakfast time! At the pondside table, food is bright. Peas and porridge, what a sight! Healthy bites, take your seat. Fuel your belly, time to eat, reading time. Turtle finds a book to read, flips each page with gentle speed. Words and pictures, what a treat! Stories make the day complete. Turtle yawns and slows his pace, finds a shady, cozy place. Close your eyes and count the sheep, time for dreams and daytime sleep. The clock goes boing, the bell goes bing. It's time to dance and jump and swing. Leap with frogs and twirl with bees, wiggle and giggle in the breeze. The sky turns soft, the stars appear. Turtle hums so sweet and clear. Put on jammies, snuggle tight. Time to say good night, good night.
Goes back soon to bumblebees for more songs and magic treats.